Welcome to Dodgy Point, Mapua. Just warming the old girl up. This boat is an eyesore. It's an embarrassment to my father, who's built beautiful boats. It's a horrible boat. I built it myself. It's made out of GG plywood. It's got a SS Commodore, no less, V8 seat in the back, which is very comfortable, and a Honda one on the front, which is crap, but it's all right, works. And got a few rods, but what I have got is I've got a good motor and I've got some good rods. I'm using Jigstar rods, which are really good, with Maxwell reels, so that's good. The other thing I've got is a life jacket, which my mate Troy said don't use this anymore. He said they fail sometimes if they're not checked up regularly, which I haven't checked that one for probably 3 years. So I've got something here which come off the Titanic, but it will actually float me an RFD, so I'm going to wear that today. Join you out in the water. No democracy in New Zealand. Try living in North Korea. Time is 10:30. I rose this morning at 5 AM, which is earlier than normal. Had to do my farm chores and I had a lot of work to do this morning. I've had terrible fishing this year so far. It's been crap. Hopefully we can change that today. I still can't see any birds working anywhere. That's always a sign I look for, but there's nothing out there. Anyway, we'll go and have a nosy, see how we get on. I noticed a few fish just on the top of the water there, some small ones. So we'll tow a lure as we go on out to the zone. We might hit a kahawai on the way out. The water's warm enough for there to be kingfish out here too. Right now it's about 18, 19 degrees. Just see the odd fish there rising, so I've stopped the boat to have a cast. Might get a strike on a kahawai. Beautiful conditions, absolutely magic. No takers, no takers. Oh, I thought we might get something, take that. Definitely saw a kahawai rising. Oh, I'm just going to put this Falcor over the side while I'm putting down my burley and my anchor. Yeah. They're going down together, just over the side like that. She's about, I went deeper water than I thought. That was 8 metres, and that's another 2, so we've got about 10 metres. Oh yeah, bloody good. Had to change the hat, the sun's coming down. So this is something that Mark Rudolph gave me. It's a sabiki. They're size 4 hooks. It's got a good mount on it, and I put some squid on. Come out the other day and got a couple of small kahawai. Right now nothing's going on the junkie jig, and nothing caught on the lure, but these seldom fail me, so we'll see how we go. We'll plop it over the side and give it a bit of a jiggle around, because there are some gannets hanging around and some small fish on the surface, so I reckon there'll be some smaller kahawai down there. Might get one of those and use it as a live bait and just hoof it out the back while we're fishing. Oh, we're on. Yes, that's not a baddie. Little kahawai, I'd say. Yoo! Woo! How about that? That worked good. A bit of play there, Clay. You're gonna play snap it. Not playing. There we go. Was that, a kahawai? It feels like a kahawai, although it's not running out like a kahawai normally runs out. Could be a little snapper. It's on a size 4 hook. Oh no, it's bloody a kahawai and a snapper, is it? It is too. It's a little panty with a kahawai at the top and a snapper at the bottom, a little brim. Oh, nice. How about that? You beauty. Oh no, it's not. It's actually there's a mackerel I think at the top, and a little pan-sized fish there. First one this year for me. And only just legal too. Yeah, that'd be probably 27, I'm guessing. There's my 25 there. And he's, yeah, about 27. Oh, Oh man, I don't know. We'll let him get bigger for another day, eh? It is the first one this year, but no, we'll let him go. We'll let him get bigger for another day. He's 27. We're allowed to keep 25 here, but no, we'll put you back, mate. There we go. And hopefully there's more down there. Now old mate over here, he's got a bait bit different waiting for him. He's going to be a livey, he is. We'll keep him alive and we'll get that set up. This fish has actually only got one eye. So he's not a very healthy fish. Just going to poke it in here like this. Maybe lost the eye with the hook, I don't know, but it's going to be a little bit less healthy in a minute. Just going to go up in here and go around like this through the top there and back out, and let him go over the side as a live bait, although he might not stay alive that long. I mean, he's swimming, but he's not looking flash. Well, see what happens. Yeah, no, he's not a very good livey. I think he was a bit crook. I think that hook got him in the eye. Just got hit again. And it feels like another brim. Little snapper. Maybe. Didn't take long either. The old sabiki's doing it. Oh no, it's a kahawai. Or is it a... Oh, I've got something going behind me too. No, it's a bloody nice size. That's a good one. That's not a kahawai, that's a mackerel. Will keep you. Yeah, very nice sashimi fish. Little mackerel. Happy days. I've given him the knife. I was going to use him as a live bait, but my other live bait's swimming around, so it's out the back here and it's actually come to life, so that's good. We'll carry on with this sabiki rig, because so far it's doing the bizzo, isn't it? Getting some wee hits there right now. Oh, we're on. There we go. Oh, that could be a bigger snapper. That could be a bigger... Well, it's two fish. Maybe it's... Oh, yes. Oh, that could be bigger. It might be a keeper, that one. It's got the old nod, hasn't it, like a snapper. It's got the classic nod. Don't want to high stick this little thin bloody... Oh, I lost it. Dropped it. And it's probably... Oh, hopefully not taken all my gear. Oh no, we're good. Yeah, I probably was a bit too hard on that. Yeah, you silly boy, Clay. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, we've got all our hooks. Didn't snap off, it just got off. Yeah, it was on this last one. Oh, it's good to know they're down there. Oh, we hit again. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there goes my live bait swimming around there too. Oh, it's going to tangle on it. Oh shit, it has too. Oh, not good, not good, not good. Oh, not good. There goes my live bait around there, tangling around it. Did we get that out of the way? Oh, that didn't work out very good. Got a fish on. And there's the livey going around the boat. We got a fish on, that's the downside. I know we got that away from the livey. Oh, okay, that's a bit better. I think it's a kahawai that's going out from the boat. Snapper generally tend not to do that so much, but we'll find out in a minute. We get up a bit higher. If we do get a bit higher, I don't want to drop it like we did the last one. This is definitely a better fish. Definitely a better fish. Any colour yet? No. Getting it up. It's coming up. Oh no, it's got some good fight. Oh, there we go. No, it's a good snapper. That's about a 30. That's better. That's what we wanted. Happy days on a tiny little hook. Where's my net, Clay? Where's your net, boy? Jeez. Oh shit. Not here. Well, that's right, I cleaned it and forgot to stick it back in the boat. Yeah, you dumb bugger. Okay. Oh, let's see if we can just get this guy up without losing it, because yeah, don't want to lose that guy. Don't want to lose it at all. Oh, just caught in the corner of its mouth too. Look at that. Bugger me. I'm going to get you up all right, buddy. There we go. Oh yes, happy days. I'm glad I put the other one back. That's a good fish. They're good, the old sabiki, aren't they? That's a bloody cracker. That's my first reasonable snapper. That's probably about a 32. Just going to give him the knife a little rag here. That's it. Perfect. Didn't feel a thing, did you? And on the eye, see his dead, just nerves. He's got it right through the scalp. Beauty. Woo! You can see the live baits swum over there now. So they are a bit of a bugger when you got your line down. The last one got tangled on it, but at least I can see where it is now. And hopefully if we get another one, we don't get a big tangle. I'm just letting it, taking it a bit further away from the boat. It'd be nice if a big old kingy saw it. Even a snapper could actually take that. A snapper will take a live one. Or John Dory would be good. I've got the junkie jig just over the side sitting here. Nothing going on. I'll stop jigging that. You're supposed to jig it, but this has been so productive so far in a short time. Is this going tight? What's going on here? He's just swimming, is he? There's a bit of a change going on, isn't it? He might be just swimming out with it more. I'll give him a bit more line, more freedom. Go further away from the boat. He can go further away. You don't need him around here. Just another one of those little mackerel. They get themselves caught in the bloody eye, don't they? That's where the last one got caught. Yeah, it's caught in the eye. Okay. Oh, I'll keep you for bait. That feels like a... That's a good one. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, we don't want to lose that one off. No, not good. That's a good one. I reckon it's a good snapper. Yeah, no, it's a good one. I've only got a very light line here, and my bloody livey's gone over here, and it's gone over there, so I want to keep it away from the livey. Just let this guy tire it a little bit. That's a good snapper, I reckon. I reckon it's another 30 like the last one, and maybe even bigger. These little sabikis are just great, aren't they? Just trying to get him up a little bit. There we go, we're getting some height now. Oh, was it two fish? No, it looks like a big snapper down. I've got colour down here. What is that? That's a good snapper. Yeah. Oh, it's another bloody good brim. And I haven't got me... Shit, it's probably another 32. Got colour coming up. I just got such a light line here and I haven't got a... That's even bigger than the last one. Look at that beauty. Keep his head up. Oh, mate. Or about the same size, maybe. Are we going to get you in the boat? Oh, just in the corner of his mouth. Shit. Look at that. Another beauty. About a 32. Or maybe a 4 big. It's a fatty, isn't it? What a cracker. Oh, we're having a good day. We're having a cracker day. Right, we'll give it the knife, put it out its misery and stick it on ice. I was just giving the one I caught the knife and then this happened. Yeah. This is like playing catching trout because I've got such a fine rig on here. It makes it kind of fun, really. You're playing it. This is a snapper, you can feel by the nod. Oh, I lost it, dropped it. Oh, okay, have I got my sabiki on still? They're a fine hook. Well, what's going on here? Have I picked up the other line? No. Oh, I did too. I picked up the other line. Okay, that's the trouble. Right, we'll let that off. So what happened there was I got cut off on my own line and it cut right through it. So the fish took that away with my sinker. Well, I found a tiny little sinker, pretty small, and I've got 3 left on my sabiki. So we'll carry on. I'm going to get that slow jig right up because it's not going to catch anything if I'm not jigging it. And this is being more productive. Just got it again. Yeah. Oh, there we go, another snapper. Yeah, not a baddie either, not a baddie. Not a baddie at all. Probably another 30 by the looks of that. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yes, that's a good one. Oh yeah, happy days. Happy days. Keep them to the top if we can. That's the one. Oh, come here buddy. Just in the corner of the mouth again. Oh yes, look at that one. Another cracker. Probably about 30. Right, we'll spike it and put it in the bin. Just a wee baby snapper. Gonna take care of him. Make sure he's okay to go back into the sea. There we go, mate. Good. I'm going to try and put a pink warrior on. Don't know what we hooked into this time. Just it's on the phone to my daughter, or trying to be, every time we go to do something, and that's actually not a baddie. Oh, just doesn't want to come up slightly. It's going to be the biggest fish of the day if we get it in. I don't think we're going to get this up. I think it's too big. Got nothing at all on the boat. I left my bloody gaff and my bloody net behind. I'd leave me bloody balls behind if they weren't in a bag, I tell you. It's coming up a little bit now. We're going to flash a colour then. What is it? It's a bloody snapper. It's going to be the biggest one of the day too. Here we go. Got him. It's actually hooked in the bloody eye. Oh, we'll take it. Call that the last fish of the day. That's 6, that's all we need. Oh, it just broke now. That's a good one to finish up the day on. Bring out, mate. He's still alive. Still very much alive. There he goes, he's been swimming the whole time. He's only got one eye. Oh, we'll see if we can, oh, he's not gonna live anyway. His mouth's all buggered up. There we go, that's where our bait fish went. Don't drop it, mate, it's alive still, you lose it. That's a happy bird. The fish was still biting, but we've got enough fish, so we're going in. Woohoo! The fishing was bloody good today. Yeah, plenty of fish for everybody. Just goes to show you, doesn't it, that you don't need to have an expensive boat. You don't need expensive gear. Those fish were all caught on a very cheap sabiki setup, and a cheap rod actually for that matter. And I haven't got a flash boat, as you well know, but we've got fish for everybody to eat. Hey, good luck with your own fishing and hunting and gathering, however it's doing. I'm going to put the Dodgy Homemade Punt back on the trailer and clean the fish and do some drop off to friends and family, and then carry on with the rest of my day working. We're doing gardening right now, it's that time of year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Be good, can't be good, be careful. A lot of people, when they come up here, they try to put their boat in the current, but this is the best place to put it, and also face it that way with the current.